Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Susenc brand. It's S-U-S-E-N-C. This is their 7D 5-in-1 electric head shaver. It's the FK8608, and it comes with everything you see in front of you: the kit, a holder, the shaver itself, the 7 double-bladed cutters, a massager for your face, a cleaning brush for your face, cleaning tool for the shaver, nose trimmer, hair trimmer, 3 different guards, 3, 6, and 9 millimeter, USB-A to the special adapter which goes on the unit. The unit is very stylish looking, has a very simple on-off switch right there, and then it has a display giving you the percentage that is left. And we're going to show how to charge the unit also. So this is a real nice unit. The instruction manual covers everything about this unit, and it's very, very well written, I have to say, very clear, and gives you information about the product on there. This product does come with a 1-year warranty, so you have to worry about it. And this has got, this is a floating head cutting system. We're going to show a close-up of that. It can be used wet or dry, and all of this is waterproof so that you could even use it in the shower. It's a combination of stainless steel and ABS resin, and it's totally waterproof, as I mentioned. So you can shave quickly and effectively. You could trim your beard if you have a beard, or you can remove the hair off your head using this tool right there, and then complete it with this and maintain it with this so that you have no hair on your head if that's what you want. It has 80 minutes of use after you charge it for 1.5 hours. And any 5-volt 1-amp charger will work to charge this unit. So that's the first thing I'm going to show is how simple it is to charge it. So here I have the USB-A included cable, and have it plugged into a 1-amp charger. And I'm going to just plug this in. It only goes in one way on here, right on the back of the unit, just like that. And it's giving me a little status display right there, letting me know the percentage of the battery. So right now it's 99% charged. It's just that simple to do. Now all the attachments come on and off quite easily. When you turn this clockwise, you're facing it like that, that's how you remove the attachment. And when you go counterclockwise, that's how you lock it in place. That's how you're going to put all the attachments on. Now you can rinse this under water, or you could remove it, just like I showed like that, and just rinse the head portion on there. Now the heads on here, they have a nice little grabber right there that allows you to use your nail and to lift up. And you could use that included brush to clean them out. And if you remove all of these outer ones, this one comes out by going counterclockwise and locks back in place. These should last at least a year, 1.5 years, 2 years, depending how often you shave, and the company you can buy replacement heads for this product. So it comes with this brush right here, which is really soft, and that's for cleaning your face. You can put a little soap on there, and this is for massaging your skin. It's got little bristles on there, and this pulls off and allows you to put this one on, so you have a choice of which one you want on there. And then again, the unit itself, you remember you put it on like this, and then you go counterclockwise to lock it, and then you have your little massaging brush on there. Feels really good, and you put a little soap on there, it'll open up your pores. Then to remove it, you go clockwise and it comes right out. Now here's the other attachment for cutting or trimming your beard or cutting your hair, and again that goes in and you go counterclockwise. Make sure you hear that click like this, and then you know it's parallel and ready to use. Then removing it, go clockwise and it comes right out. Now the nose hair trimmer is the same thing. It goes right over here like this, and you go counterclockwise and it locks it in place, and you got your nose hair trimming. And you go clockwise and it removes it. Now if you're using this attachment, you can put these offsets on there quite easily. You just slide them up and they lock into place. And that gives you a nice offset so that you could trim your hair 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, or this one right here, and you could just remove this by pulling it off like that, and this is 6 millimeter. That way you can control the depth of what this is cutting. So here I'm going to try out the shaver, and I'm going to try this attachment first to trim my beard stubble before I use this attachment. You can hear it cutting the hair quite easily, and there's no pulling or tugging. Is to have the smallest amount of hair on my face before I do the 7 rotary heads. Okay, now I'm going to change the head, and I'm going to put on the rotary attachment. Just like that. Feels really good. No resistance, no pulling. The face is already smooth. Let's get my neck now. And one of the things that I like about this shaver is that you hold it on the sides and you don't bump that button, so you don't accidentally turn it off. Okay, now we're going to remove this attachment. We're going to put this cutter back on, like that. And I want to trim my sideburns with the 3 millimeter. And I do part of the hair also. And you can also do your eyebrows if you want, if they're a little bit thick. Because of that limiting comb on there, you can safely do that also. Now we're going to change to a larger offset. So let's put on the 6 millimeter right there. I'm going to do the higher part of the hair. This is how I normally cut my hair. And that's it. So what I do is I thin my hair right there on the sides, sometimes on the top. But that allows you to shave. My face is smooth now, and I did my eyebrows a little bit. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my trimming of my trim right there. So that's a nice 90 degrees, just like that. And now I'm all done. And now I could rinse this off under the sink, just like that. And every third or fourth shave, you'd want to open this up, and you'd want to clean them out by rinsing them with them open, like that. And that's it. So what's my overall opinion about this Susenc brand, the Susenc brand, their 7D electric head shaver. It's 5-in-1 kit, and you can see it's got the 7 cutters right on there. As I demonstrated, this thing works great. You have all these attachments on here. You're going to be able to do all your grooming that you need to do, and this worked really well. It has a good feel to it, and it's waterproof, so I think you can't go wrong with this product. It's very reasonably priced. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. The open information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.